ChatGPT Free generates confident answers, but you cannot verify a single claim. There are no sources, no links, nothing to click. It can and does hallucinate facts with complete confidence. The free tool Perplexity AI, free tier, no credit card, every single sentence it generates is linked directly to its live source. You can verify every claim in one click. This is a fundamental architectural difference, not a minor feature gap, and it's been consistently validated as recently as this week. Perplexity has 30 million monthly active users and is growing 300% year over year. In 2025 accuracy tests, Perplexity cited sources 78% of the time versus ChatGPT's 62% on complex research questions. Here's why this gap exists. ChatGPT uses static training data. It was trained on a snapshot of the internet up to a certain cutoff date. When you ask it a question, it generates an answer based on patterns it learned during training. No live search. No real-time verification. Perplexity searches the web in real time. When you ask a question, it runs live searches across multiple authoritative sources. Articles, journals, government sites, then synthesizes the most relevant insights into a coherent answer, and every answer includes citations linking to the original sources. But here's where most people get this wrong. They think Perplexity is just ChatGPT with sources. It's not. The entire workflow is different. ChatGPT is conversational. You ask a question, it gives an answer. You refine the prompt, it gives a better answer. You're iterating on a generated response. Perplexity is research first. You ask a question, it runs a search, synthesizes sources, and gives you the answer with citations. If you need to go deeper, you don't refine the prompt. You click the sources and read them yourself. Let me show you 3 use cases where Perplexity destroys ChatGPT. Use case 1. Fact-checking a claim. Someone tells you AI tools are banned in schools in France. You need to know if that's true. You paste it into ChatGPT. It'll give you an answer, but you still don't know if it's accurate. You paste it into Perplexity. It'll give you an answer and links to verifiable sources like Reuters, etc. You can verify it in 30 seconds. Use case 2. Research for a presentation. You're building a slide deck on renewable energy trends. You ask ChatGPT for data. It gives you percentages, trends, projections. But where did those numbers come from? You have no idea. You can't cite ChatGPT as a source in a professional deck. You ask Perplexity the same question. It gives you data and links to sources like Deloitte, IBM, Ren21, etc. You can cite those sources. You can download the reports. Your presentation has credibility. Use case 3. Staying current. You want to know what changed in the AI space this week. ChatGPT's training data is months old. It can't help you. Perplexity searches the web in real time. You ask, what are the biggest AI announcements in the last 2 days? And it pulls from the latest sources in the last 2 days, and you can verify. So here's the full breakdown. ChatGPT Free is conversational. Great for brainstorming and drafting, but little to zero source verification. Perplexity Free is research first. Every answer cited and linked to live sources. If you're using AI for anything where accuracy matters, research, fact-checking, professional work, or staying current, Perplexity is the tool. And the free tier is genuinely free. No credit card. Unlimited basic searches. All with citations. If you want Pro Search, that's the feature that runs multiple deep searches and synthesizes them into a single report. That's $17 a month. But for most use cases, the free tier is more than enough. I've linked Perplexity below. Next video, I'm showing you the 3 Perplexity advanced features most people don't know exist. Subscribe so you don't miss it.